What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. So basically, guys, on today's video, what I'm gonna do is just break the market down for you, analyze a couple of pairs so you can see what's going on with these pairs for the rest of the week, right? So without any further waste of time, guys, I'm currently looking at NZDJPY, right? And obviously, what I can see on NZDJPY, you obviously know, guys, if you have been watching my videos, you obviously know that when I do my analysis, guys, I do a top-down analysis, meaning that I always start my analysis from the daily time frame. Now go down with it, right? So what I can see on the daily time frame is that the market is giving us a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And obviously we can identify this as an uptrend. So what do we do, guys? In an uptrend, we obviously know that we are looking for buying opportunities, right? Simply because the market is trending up. You can't be looking for selling opportunities whilst the market is going up, right? Doesn't make sense. So what I'm gonna do is just put in my trend lines and see what's going on there. Okay, clean, 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 clean. If I put in my trend lines, guys, I can see that the market here gave me a first touch, second touch, and obviously this was the third touch, and now the market is currently coming back to the trend line to give me a fourth touch, maybe so we can continue with those buys, right? But then this is just from the daily perspective, guys. So I'm just gonna jump on the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on there. So from the 4-hour time frame, what I wanna do, guys, is just adjust everything. So everything makes sense, right? Just adjust. You can see, okay, have all my touches right over there. And just restart my chart. You can see that the market is currently approaching our trend line. There isn't any much information here. So what we're gonna do, guys, is just simply wait for the market to come back to the trend line here and see if it gives us any reversal candlestick so we can move on to the upside with those buys, right? Simple, guys, plain and simple. There's nothing too complicated with NZD JPY, right? Too clean, guys, too clean, too clean. And if you use support and resistance, you can also um take this as some sort of a double bottom. Can also take this as some sort of a double bottom. Let me go on the 1 hour and see what's going on. Yes, guys, clean. You can also take this as some sort of a double bottom. So what I'm gonna do, guys, just simply wait for the market to retrace back to the trend line, touch the trend line, respect the trend line, and obviously give me a signal, guys. Obviously, the signal will obviously be a reversal candlestick, either a doji candlestick, pin bar, bullish engulfing candlestick, any type of those candlesticks, right? And we will be looking for those buying opportunities. So that's it, guys. That's my take on NZDJPY. Let me see if I can analyze another pair. Okay, I was also looking into Euro NZD, guys. Euro NZD, I saw some nice things here. On Euro NZD, guys, what I can see is that, okay, price here was moving within an uptrend because we can see a series of high highs, high lows, high low, high, and obviously now you can see there's some sort of imbalance. So let me see if we do have a break of structure. You see, guys, you have to confirm. You have to use your trend lines to confirm if the market broke structure or not. Okay, guys, you can see here, price was trending up. The market broke structure, meaning that we are no longer inside an uptrend, guys. We're no longer inside an uptrend, right? So what I'm going to do is just move on to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see here the market is currently giving us a series of lower highs here. We have some sort of lower highs here, right? So if I'm gonna draw my trend line, first touch, you can see that first touch, second touch, we sorry about that. Okay, just like that, guys. First touch, second touch. This is our third touch, guys. And on our third touch, you can see the market is currently attempting to break. The market is currently attempting to break, and the 4-hour candle, guys, it's about to close, right? The 4-hour candle is about to close, and the market is attempting to break this downtrend structure. Obviously, confirming that the market might be pushing up because of the breakout, right? So what I'm gonna do, guys, is just simply wait for the market to sorry about that. Just wait for the market to close obviously above, and then obviously maybe push a bit up, maybe obviously push a bit up, and then pull back down for a retest. Then when the market comes back for a retest, I'm obviously gonna wait for the market to provide me with some sort of reversal candlestick, and then I'm gonna take my entries, my buying entries, to go all the way to the upside with it, right? To go all the way to the upside with it. So that's my take, guys, on Euro NZD. There's nothing much here, guys. There's nothing much. Literally just a breakout retest type of structure, right? And you know how we deal with breakouts, guys. Just a reminder, if you don't know, if the market whenever a market breaks out, whenever the market breaks structure, right, what you have to do is just simply mark out your previous lower highs if it's a downtrend. If it's an uptrend, obviously you have to mark your previous higher lows. See, you mark everything here because all these are your take profits, right? All these are either your take profits or entry points. Maybe if the market breaks, all these are either your take profits or entry points. You see, now I want to show you what I mean by that. What I mean is that the market might, let's say the market pushes up, right? It gets here, hits your TP, then it breaks above, comes back, retest, gives you a reversal candlestick. Obviously, you don't want to miss that out. You'll take your entries, then enter the market, so on, does the same thing all over and over and over again. And in doing so, guys, what does it do? It creates a structure now. You see, creates a structure of which you can use to catch entries. So that's my take, guys, on Euro NZD. Just simply gonna wait for the market to push further up, give me a retest, then maybe wait for a reversal candlestick, and that's when I'll take my entries, right? Another pair of which I've been looking into, Cat CHF, guys. Yo, guys, Cat CHF. Let me see what's going on there. Restart my chart. You know, guys, we always start on a daily time frame. We always start our analysis on a daily time frame. You can see here the market was moving within a downtrend. First touch there, second touch. Okay, clean. First touch, second touch. You can see here some sort of third touch. If I just adjust, some sort of a third touch. We have some sort of a third touch there. You can see, guys. And then the market broke above, and now the market, you see, guys, the market pushed up, pushed up. Now it's currently coming back for a retest on the trend line, and that's when obviously we can start to see those buying opportunities to move all the way to the upside. But then there's really nothing much we can do from the daily time frame. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is just simply move on to the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on. So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, there's really nothing much I can use other than the fact that we do have that type of structure. And another thing of which I can see here, guys, is the fact that the market is currently sitting on support from previous structure. You can see the market is currently sitting on support. So obviously what I have to do right now is just simply wait for the market to give me some sort of a reversal candlestick, guys, some sort of a reversal candlestick. Just wait for the market to give me some sort of a reversal candlestick, or maybe even push further down to the trend line. But then I can say that I can find entries there, guys. I can indeed find entries. You see here we had a dodgy candlestick, but then the market didn't quite respect that dodgy candlestick. So what I'm gonna do, just wait for the market to give me another dodgy candlestick, and then or maybe pin bar or something like that, any type of reversal candlestick, and that's when I can take my entries to move all the way to the upside with it, right? Clean, guys. Nothing much, guys. Clean, 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 clean setup, guys. Obviously, having my take profit here. Clean setup, guys. This is a clean setup. Nothing much. Just wait for a reversal candlestick. That's when I can take my buying opportunities, guys. And another thing of which I can see is that we do have some sort of a structure here. Sorry. We do have some sort of a structure here. You see, when the market comes all the way up, maybe give us a breakout retest. That's when we can take more entries. But nonetheless, guys, what I'm simply going to do is just wait for the market to give me some sort of reversal candlestick, and that's when I can take my entries to move all the way to the upside, guys. So another thing I want to talk about, guys, in this video is risk management, guys. You see, guys, when it comes to risk management, guys, I do believe that a lot of people can trade. We do have a lot of good traders out there. The only problem is that their risk management, guys, they don't know how to risk properly, right? Imagine now you have a 1,000 rand account, right? Imagine now you have 1,000 rand account, and then you take your entries. Let's say you open 6 positions. For me, it doesn't make sense to do that because I mean 6 positions is like a lot of trades, right? A lot of risk for that account. So what I do, guys, if let's say I funded 1,000 rand, guys, what I do, I just simply start off with maybe 3 positions, guys, maybe 3 positions, minimum of 3 positions, maximum. Guys, for me, maximum it's 4 positions, all right. Then I just simply wait and see how the setup goes. If obviously the setup respects my structure in a way, obviously now I start to scale in, you see, guys, and move nicely with it, guys. You see, guys, proper risk management is needed, guys. You have to risk the money you're willing to lose. If you fund 500 and it's your last 500, you can't risk all that money, guys. Come on. Use proper risk management. It wouldn't hurt for you to use proper risk management, right? So for me, guys, what I usually do, let's say I funded, let's say 500. Let's say I funded 500. Obviously, what I do, guys, is just simply um set my daily target, guys. You see, daily targets are important when it comes to when it comes to risk management, because you'll be able to risk properly, guys. You see, so when I funded 500, I make sure that I make my daily target of 100 rands, guys. Each and every day I make 100 rands. I know in a week it's 500. I doubled my account. You see, simple, guys. The next week it goes on. So you have to like put daily targets and be realistic with your daily targets. Don't just do things of which you don't even understand, right? Imagine now you funded 1,000 rand and then you want to put a daily target of 2,000. No, bro. Doesn't make sense, right? Doesn't make sense unless obviously you up there, you're a qualified trader now, you've been making profits for quite some time, you see. But then if that's not the case, guys, when you fund 1,000 rand, for me, my advice is just make a daily target of 2,000. You see, in a week, you know that's 1,000 rand, and then you doubled your account. So that's how for me, that's how you should set daily targets. You see, if I'd advise a person, that's how I'd advise a person. You see, you should set your daily targets um to accumulate your full amount, guys, by the end of the week. So if let's say you funded 5,000, you set your daily target of you set your daily target of 1,000. In a week, it's a 5,000, you doubled your account. You see? So that's plain and simple, guys. With proper risk management, guys, there's really not much to it. Just for you to set your daily targets and just manage your account properly, guys. What